if you're looking for a plant-based option to replace that dark turkey flavor in gravy, this is definitely it. Start with about at least 4 types of mushrooms, but if you use 6 or more, that's great as well. This I'm using chanterelle. I'm also using portobello. I'm using shiitake. And I am also using king oyster mushroom shredded. And I'm using baby bella. But and in the past, I've also used oyster, and I've used all kinds of different white mushroom, right? Button mushrooms. Just use a good different mix of mushrooms, right? Use about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, smash and chop those up. And then you can use a red onion or a shallot, a very large shallot. They kind of have the same flavor. Shallot's just going to be a little bit milder. So it's up to you whether you want the red onion or you want the shallot. But chop that up and pop that. You're going to put that inside of your pot when you make this faux unturkey dark meat. And this one is in my recipe guide that you can find on Amazon. So this recipe, obviously it's in this video, but if you want to get the recipe guide, you can buy it. Now I get a bunch of herbs: basil, parsley, rosemary, fresh herbs, right? Anyone that you want that you might still have in your garden. Use about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and turn your pressure cooker on to about high saute, right? This is a pressure cooker recipe. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can just cook this on slow. It's going to take you several hours, but the pressure cooker takes you about 14 minutes. So you go ahead and put that on saute high with your olive oil, saute your herbs, your onions, your garlic all together in the bottom of your pan. You'll start to hear that heat up. Go ahead and put your king oyster mushrooms that you shredded inside of there. So shred those up with a fork. And you've probably seen me do that in many other recipes. Then put all the rest of your mushrooms inside your 5 different kinds of mushrooms that you have. Put them all inside of the pressure cooker. And then you're going to start, look at those beautiful mushrooms. Just lots and lots of beautiful mushrooms. Now you're going to start seasoning it up with herbs. 2 teaspoons of rosemary ground, 2 teaspoons of ground sage, 2 teaspoons of marjoram, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of chervil, which is an English herb. You can get that or not. 1.5 cups of water, and then 2 tablespoons of mushroom seasoning. Right? And then you can turn it off of the saute and then set it to pressure cook high for 14 minutes. And your mushrooms are just going to make this yummy, yummy juice in there. And it's just going to smell so flavorful and so yummy. And once that's done, you can add make yourself a thickening or a slurry with 1.5 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of flour, season it up with some black pepper, and mix that all around, and then just go ahead and pour that into your liquid of mushrooms, because that slurry is going to make you have this yummy, yummy, rich gravy. And with that mushrooms, you can use that mushrooms and the gravy, and it really does resemble dark meat, and you will fall in love. There it is. So beautiful. Enjoy.